Okay, right now I want you to pay attention to all the noises the car makes. Also, look at this. That is very important. I'm gonna drive over some speed bumps right now, some potholes, and a couple other things that I would normally dodge. I hope you can hear the potholes, because they were pretty bad. You can still hear them. Alright, here we go, up my driveway. I have a fence, so nothing. So it turns out that this actually was the problem the entire time. As you can see, this side it still works, sort of, for a little while longer, but this side, there's nothing. So this is how I installed it, with this facing up where the shock is, and when any sort of pressure went on the sway bar, this would just bang around all over the place. And when I had it on, I actually did it the other way before I took it apart and did the strut mount. So this, it's okay, it's not horrible, but this one, there's nothing left. It's completely worn out. I do have some new ones somewhere in the garage. Where exactly, I'm not sure. They're probably in the box, but I'll look for them tomorrow so I can make my trip on Sunday. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the car right now. Everything's perfect. See you guys on Sunday.